What is up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today, we are looking at 10 of the coolest new Amazon gadgets you are going to want right now. From smart home upgrades to genius little everyday tools, this list has something for everyone. All the product links are down in the description so you can grab anything you see without having to search for it yourself. Let us get into it. First up, if your garage, workshop, or shed looks like a spaghetti factory exploded, this one is going to change your life. The Chfeila cord holder is a heavy-duty cable strap system with a clever gravity-driven design. You can hang up any cord one-handed in literally 1 second. No wrapping, no tying, no Velcro struggle. It's made with aviation aluminum buckles and tough 900D nylon. Holds up to 100 pounds and works both indoors and outdoors. You get a 4-pack, 2 medium and 2 large, and it fits everything from thin charging cables to thick extension cords. All of that for just under $20. If you know someone who takes their workspace seriously, this is a great gift idea. Next one is for the makers and tinkerers. The FNIRSI HS02 is a portable soldering iron that packs up to 100 watts of power, heats up incredibly fast, and has a display showing your temperature at all times. You can dial it in anywhere from 212 degrees all the way up to 842 degrees Fahrenheit. It comes with 6 interchangeable tips, a storage case you can take anywhere, and smart safety features like auto sleep and child lock mode. Whether you're repairing circuit boards, doing jewelry work, or just love DIY electronics, this one is worth every penny of the $80 price tag. Now, this next one is small, but do not let that fool you. This little rechargeable mini vacuum cleaner pulls 1,300 PA of suction and spins at 13,500 RPM. Most similar products spin at around 6,000. It sucks up eraser dust, crumbs, pet hair, ash, basically anything that finds its way onto your desk, sofa, or car seat. And it's quiet enough to run while someone is sleeping right next to you. For under $17, this is honestly a no-brainer, especially if you have pets or work at a desk all day. If your nightstand is a tangled mess of cables, the Acer 7-in-1 wireless charging station is about to fix that. It wirelessly charges 2 phones at the same time, your Apple Watch and your AirPods, and still has USB-C and USB-A ports left over for anything else. The built-in stand holds your phone in landscape so you can watch videos or follow a recipe hands-free. It also doubles as a smart LED clock that syncs automatically via Bluetooth and even shows you the indoor temperature. There's a built-in light sensor that turns on a soft night light in the dark without waking anyone up. Clean, smart, and genuinely useful. It runs at $79.99. Okay, this next one is purely for the wow factor. The levitating LED light bulb floats and spins in mid-air using magnetic levitation with 0 wires and 0 supports, and it actually glows through wireless power transmission. Just a spinning, glowing bulb hanging in the air like it's defying gravity. You control it with a simple touch button. It's a conversation starter in any room, home office, living space, or conference room. If you're shopping for someone who already has everything, this is the gift. It's $59.99, and the reaction alone is worth it. Now, if you want to completely transform the mood of a room, the Govee tree floor lamp is something else. It has 3 independently adjustable lamp heads that rotate 350 degrees horizontally and 90 degrees vertically, putting out up to 1,500 lumens with 16 million color options and 64 scene modes. But the feature that really sets it apart is the built-in microphone that syncs the lights to your music in real time. You can even connect up to 5 Govee lights together for a full room light show. Control everything through Alexa, Google Assistant, or the Govee app. At $149.99, it's an investment, but the atmosphere it creates is unreal. Here's one of those gadgets you didn't know you needed until you actually have it. The Gap Dust Cleaner is a microfiber duster with a telescoping stainless steel handle that extends from 31 inches all the way up to 61 inches. It reaches under appliances, into sofa gaps, under beds, into air conditioning vents, all those forgotten spots that never get cleaned. The electrostatic microfiber attracts and traps dust instead of just pushing it around. You get 2 washable cloth covers included, one for dry use and one for wet use, and it's only $13.99. Simple, cheap, and genuinely satisfying to use. This next one is tiny but brilliant. The PZOZ Keychain charger is a 4-in-1 cable, small enough to live on your keyring. It has Lightning, USB-C, and USB-A all in one little cable, supports up to 140 watts of fast charging, and even transfers data at up to 480 megabits per second. It has a built-in LED display that shows your charging power in real time. It's only 7.3 inches long and built tough with zinc alloy and reinforced nylon. For under $18, you'll never be caught with a dead phone or a missing cable again. For anyone working from home or creating content, the BusyBox is going to feel like something you should have had years ago. It's a smart LED door sign that lets people know when you're busy, recording, on a call, or whatever situation you're in. It comes with 6 slide-in message panels, connects to Google Calendar, Siri, and Google Assistant, and has a full app for controlling colors, brightness, and custom presets. The battery lasts over 40 hours on the standard model and over 160 hours on the larger battery version. It even detects automatically when you're on a phone call and turns itself on. No more awkward interruptions. Starting at $129, it's a serious upgrade for any home office setup. And to wrap things up, one of the simplest and most useful things on this entire list, the magnetic phone holder for laptop, is a mount that sticks to any flat monitor or laptop screen and lets your phone snap right next to your display. You can see notifications, answer calls, or use your phone as a second screen without ever picking it up. It works with any phone between 4 and 8 inches and even doubles as a headphone hanger to keep your desk clean. 2 magnetic plates and a 3M adhesive pad are included, and it's only $9.99, genuinely one of the best value picks on this list. And that's a wrap on today's 10. Some seriously cool stuff in this one. Every product link is down in the description below, so go check them out, read the reviews, and grab whatever caught your eye. If you enjoyed the video, hit the like button and subscribe so you don't miss the next roundup. See you in the next one.